How to add auto captions on your videos in KineMaster app. To add auto caption, it is quite simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now to start, go to this center and then tap on it to get more options. And as you can see, once you tap on it, we have auto caption here. So if I go ahead and tap on auto caption, we have to get a plugin that can help us do that. So go ahead and tap on get plugin, and this will go ahead and display auto caption options that are available in various languages. You can see we have English here, so choose the language that you prefer. For my case, I want auto captions in English. I'll tap on English, and then I'll have to download it by tapping on this download option. So if I tap on download, this will be downloaded straight to my phone, and for this you'll have to be patient because it takes time. And as you can see, this file is quite huge, so I'll not wait until it ends. I'll just go back. Once you go back, you'll see now the English auto generate plugin will be active. Just tap on it to generate your captions. Once it has been downloaded, you'll be able to generate. You'll get a generate option here. Now you can generate your auto captions. Now one thing you have to make sure is that your video should be audible enough so that this tool can auto generate the captions correctly. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.